What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackmon here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Right here, I'm at a 2-bed, 1-bath, colonial style home in Cuyahoga Falls. This property just hit the market yesterday. Today's June 4th, 2018. Property is going to need complete rehab. Just wanted to give you guys a look as to what we will purchase. We are looking to buy properties in this area in Cuyahoga Falls. So if you know anybody who's thinking about selling, definitely make sure you give us a call, 330-685-2220, or visit our website, www.investparamount.com.